Hi, welcome to Jackieburnscreations. You are here at the 30 days of DIY Christmas ornaments. I'm going to do easy, cheap, and fast. So anybody could do these. So I'm showing you what I'm using. I got these, not tiny clothespins, but they're small. I'm painting one red, one green, and I left one natural. And the deer was a little bigger, so I put a Jenga block on top. You could use regular size clothespins, but I wouldn't use those teeny ones. I'm not sure they'd work very well. So I glued the deer on top. I'm checking out some greenery to put with it. Cutting it in half. And I'm putting a little glue on each of the legs. Setting it on top and adding a little greenery with it. Grabbing some white berries to put on there. These things are styrofoam and they kept sticking to me. They wouldn't let go. Let go, let go. Now I'm taking a red one, and I've got these little gingerbread ornaments at, I think I got them at Hobby Lobby. I'm cutting off the strings. Picked out two. Gluing them onto the other two clothespins. And they need something with them, so I'm going to get these candy ornaments. I got these at Hobby Lobby, and they were all 50% off, so cutting the little hanging tag off of them, putting a little glue on there, and there we have it. They look really cute on the smaller trees because you can put them where they're not hanging and twisting. You can put them right exactly where you want them, towards the back or the front, and they fit really nice, as you can see in the pictures. So I'm going to try my best to do an ornament every day of November. And I welcome you to leave comments. And if you leave a comment every day at the end of the week, there's going to be a surprise. Possibly a secret giveaway. And thanks for watching the whole video to find out. And don't tell anybody and don't say contest. Again, we'll see you tomorrow. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.